have some fun with this joint. Yo, what's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Out here getting ready to do a couple circles to get some things done. And then later on this evening, once we get back to the house, we will do the unveiling of the new purchase, firearm purchase. And that's what we are getting into today, man. I want to say big ups to the Henderson, Nevada Police Department for capturing those people who shot CJ So Cool, man, and getting them off the streets. It's crazy to find out that it was at least 5 people involved, they saying now. 2 of them were in their 20s, 26, 28, male and a female, and then 3 juveniles, man. 3 juveniles was involved in the situation. That is super crazy, man. I think they were like between 15 and 17. And what are they doing out? 3 in the morning. It's a crazy world, man. You know, go to work, man. Get on your hustle. Get your own. Don't try to go get nobody else's, man. Because, you know, like the man said, you know, even though he was asleep and he didn't really have no firearms, he was, you know, it was protected by the blood, man. Blood of Jesus, man. And also, he had a little training to help them out as well. So let that be a lesson to people, man. Just like get your own, man. This world is so cruel. So much stuff going on every day. Got to keep the whole world in prayer. The country, your state, your city, your borough, all in prayer, man. All right. So we're going to keep on pushing, man. And holler at y'all in a minute.
One eternity later.
Hey, what's up? What's up, y'all? How's everybody doing today, man? All right, so what we're going to do is, like I said, we are going to check out our new purchase from Springfield Armory. All right, see what we're working with, man. Been waiting on this for a minute, right? Man, this right here show you something. Not real big, kind of small, right? Show you what some of the, when they did the testing of it and what they come up with. It's fired pretty cool. They have some additional parts for it. And we have our trusty operation and safety manual, which I advise everyone to go through. Read this, John, so you can know exactly what's going on with your firearm, how to use it, all the different parts on it. I'm going to do a video on that too. On an actual firearm, I'm going to do it on a revolver as well as a semi-automatic, just showing you all the different parts. Although you already know, with some people who don't, I'm going to get into that too. All right. Also, what they put in here is this is just a warning telling you how not to mishandle firearm, keep it out of the way of children. Send you a little trusty sticker if you want from Springfield Armory. And also because the firearm comes with a warranty, online warranty form, which we will be filling out to get that activated. We want to make sure we do that. And this right here is 50% off accessories. All right, that's what we have there. And when you come inside right here, they give you a lock. This right here goes on the bottom of the magazine to switch it out. And this comes with 2 magazines. And also comes with OSP sight for the top of it. And that's what we will be installing, the sight on top of the gun, firearm. All right. Here we go, man. Some of y'all gonna think I'm crazy, but just want to tell you, this is pretty cool. Show you what I have now. My famous burst of thunder is what I have now. And my new purchase is HELLCAT subcompact. What you think about that? 9mm HELLCAT. Pretty cool, right? Comes with 2 magazines. See the red flag in there, so you know it's empty. This one right here, magazine carries 11 and 1 to make the 12. We got our speed loader here to help us load ammunition. This one, this magazine, 13. This one holds 13 and 1, so 14. Now my Bursa holds 9. My famous Bursa holds 9, okay? And the HELLCAT, and the Bursa is a 380. So Bursa 380 holds 9. And look at this. Look at the size. Can you see that? Compared to the HELLCAT. Wow. Smaller, sleeker. Still love my Bursa. Still gonna carry my Bursa, but I am interested in this HELLCAT, man. I gotta get this to the range and fire it. So with the magazine that holds the 11 and 1, 11, my hand on there, I got some fat fingers, but I don't have really big hands, but that feels nice and comfortable on here. I like that. I like the way that feels. And it's so compact, man. This is ridiculous, man. I like this. And I'm gonna put in the magazine for 14. See if there's a difference. Even somebody with bigger hands, that's still not bad. Look at that right there. So even with a bigger hand, maybe it'll be like right here. That's not too bad, you know? But for mines, that feels good, just like that. So, and this has on here your release for your magazine. It's not ambidextrous, but it's got a release for your mag right here. It's right here is to drop it, to take it apart. Wow, that's strong. Take the flag out, there's nothing in here. Hold it back right here, that right there. This feel tight, man. Oh yeah, one more thing I wanted to mention. Your sights. You got the U sight, and then you have your front sight. Front sight. This is a glow in the dark, but see the U sight on the front of that? That's cool, right? And then on the top, you have your plate that you can take off to put your optic sight on the top. And that's what we want to do. But man, this is nice, man. So you have polymer here. This right here is nice with the texture on it for your gripping. You also have texture right here on both sides for your hands. So what's what we're gonna get to, man? We're gonna get to taking off this plate so we can put our optic sight on here. And see how long it takes, man. Shouldn't take that long. Come with some additional screws. Give you another battery. I think it may be a battery in there. Come with 2 hexagon wrenches. I've heard stories of how these be so difficult on getting off here. They be so tight. That's what I heard. I do. I have that. Why would they put that on here like that, but then have 2 different things on here? That's crazy, right? So these screws right here take the regular hexagon, but in here, it takes the other one, which I do have, and I gotta go get them. So sit tight. Let me go grab them real quick, all right? All right, good people. I am back, man. I am back. Like 2 flats on the Cadillac, man. So what we have here is When I got the right part to take off the back piece on here. Take my magazine out real quick. Take off the top pieces. Just holding this in place. So we can drop our sight on here. I already had placed the battery in here for the optic sight. And I can see the red light in here working. And this have 4 grooves on here. There's 4 grooves on here that goes on the sight. So I'm going to put that on there like so. And it came with these 2 screws right here. I went and got the Loctite when I went to get this hex nut wrench out the garage. So just dabble a little tiny bit of Loctite on here. Not too much. Because once you're using your firearm and it starts to, you know, move around, vibrate, you don't want it to loosen up on you, lose your screws or whatever. Drop them puppies in there. And then use this other hex nut wrench to tighten them up. I've been waiting on this for a minute, man. Well, not really. I talked about it, should I say, for a minute. You want to kind of tighten these up. Go from one side to the other side, one side to the other side. You get it nice and snug. Flip it around, you get more torque on it this way. So the other one, same thing. Cool. There you go. Awesome. Nice and tight. All right, so we got that on. You still have a cover. You got a cover that you can put on here, I guess, when you're storing it away or whatever. You see that right there going through that U. Nice bright red light. Find that sight. A lot of people complain about, well, I'm not going to say complain, but they can't really get used to the optic sight because they're so used to using the regular sights. So I guess I should have tried it with the regular sights, but since I have the optic, I'm going to, you know, see what it's like with that. And I like to probably learn with that just to make sure that it's okay. And if I don't like it, you know, then I can always go back. What I like about this is subcompact. This is so light, it'll be easy to conceal. And most importantly, you have your magazines. If you want to carry the 11 round magazine, one in the chamber, you have 12. If you want to carry the 13 round magazine, one in the chamber, you have 14. And it's still nice and compact, man. This will go in your, you know, under your undergarments or wherever you want it. This is perfect for males and females. For concealing, this is perfect for females. Less recoil. So this 9mm right here is awesome. Trigger guard, the trigger have that in between safety on the trigger guard. I seen the other Springfield like this. It had the piece right here. It was called the OD or something like that. That one was about $300, and I think it was like $350. This right here, the Springfield HELLCAT compact one. I got this from Bud's Gun Shop. I think I paid like almost 700, maybe $700 for this, close to it or whatever. So it got the release, the remove, like that right there. Release for the magazine. Yeah, man, this is a good piece of, I like this. I can't wait to get it to the range. We are going to get to the range next week for sure. Within 3 days, about 3 days, we're going to head on out to the range, take this, and we'll take another firearm. Not really sure which one we're going to take right now. Probably the Mossberg, the 22 LR. Probably take the Mossberg with this. And we may take 3. Let's see. We'll figure out. Maybe 3. We'll take 3 with us because I got a lot of 9mm ammo. So we're going to take this. And I had a whole lot of 22 LR ammo. So we're going to take that. And that's going to be fun. So hang with me, man. We're going to get to the range, man. See how these things feel. All right? Appreciate you guys for hanging out with me. Do me a favor, man. Hit that like button for me. Hit that subscribe. Tell your friends and family about the channel. Tell them to subscribe. Don't cost a thing to subscribe, man. Working on up, trying to get to that G, man, that 1K. Trying to get to them 1K subscribers. We are getting close. And it's crazy because it's like we were gaining momentum and I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, start slowing down some. So want to at least get up to 1,000. Feel like something. Got more things coming up. We got the car show we're going to hit next week. We're going to head on out to the gun range again. Gun range, car show. Might go to it's a pistol show. It's a gun show out in Gettysburg, PA. Might hit that joint tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'm going to try to. So we got me do that. We got the car show, the Philadelphia car show. We're going to hit that. We're going to go to the gun range and a few other things we're going to do, man. We got some fun stuff coming down the pike, all right? So I appreciate you guys for hanging out with me, man. We're going to get out to the range. Have some fun with this joint. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you know when the next video about to drop. And I appreciate you guys for hanging out with me. Leave me a comment, man. I love comments. I like interaction. All right? Holla at y'all later, man. Peace.
Caught in the crossfire.
Let me see your war face.